What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr.AlwaysFishing, and today we finna clear this out, man. If you notice, there was a lot more stuff here. We got new neighbors. They got a pit bull and we got a little baby dog, so I'm gonna attempt to make a little barrier right here just to you know, keep that dog there and keep our dog here. And I figured I'm broke, I ain't got enough for a whole fence right now. So I'm just gonna stack these trees that I've cut down, clearing all this out. I'm gonna just stack it on the fence line back there. Well, it's gonna be in front of the fence line. That's really our property that I'm putting all this on. It's gonna look crazy, but this is just a temporary solution just to make it a little bit more safer for us to let the dog out without having to have her on a leash. So yeah, join me for this. This should be quite interesting. Let's get this done, man. Let's go. And you might not hear audio because I am going to be jamming out, so let's go. Let's ride. Hopefully this don't get copyright strike. Got a little Ego chainsaw. I got two bars on the juice. Should be enough to cut what I need to cut down though. We're getting rid of this right here. There we go. Cool. And with this one, just gonna pick her up. And I'm just gonna drag her over here where the fence line at. Had to talk the wife into letting me do this though. She's like, I don't want you to cut all the trees down. All it took was a big old scary pit bull to get her to budge. Who would have known? Because I want to see just how open it can get. All it takes is a little work, and that's it. Don't take much. Take a little bit of getting your hands dirty and your body. But we should be good, because I think there's enough trees sitting over here to be able to do this. So let's see. Yeah, let's cut this pond down. I do not have a big chainsaw at all to do this, but it's been knocking trees down so far. So gotta use what you got, fam. This tree's down already. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is literally and it fell the way I wanted it to too. So there we go. So the reason it's not falling is because it's balancing on these other trees. So don't try this at home. But I'm just gonna give it a good old bloom. I'm gonna attempt to pick this up and scoot it back so it can fall. Ugh. Wow, that's a long tree. I underestimated how long this tree was. Well, that's a little dangerous. So it's still bouncing on them trees. So I'm still gonna have to keep bringing it back and back. boy. All right, she's down. So this is perfect. Make a cut right in the middle of it. And I'm gonna put that going that way. We should be good. Whoo, boy. When I tell you, Florida is still hot and it's September. My God. Whew. Let's go ahead and make a cut real quick. Oh, let's go. Can y'all see? Let's make sure y'all can see. Cool. Now this tree is in 2. Cool. And that's gonna be my base for my fence. My homemade fence. Made from the land. So I don't have to spend a single dollar doing it. Gotta drag stuff and make it work, man. It's not a privacy fence, but it will keep, hopefully keep pit bulls away. Oh man, there we go. All right. There we go. Man, those pine trees, those pine needles smell good. And all the little stuff like this, we're just gonna throw on it. And I don't know what this is. This ain't no native tree. I don't know what this is. As you can see, people been dumping over here before we even, probably before the house was even built, they were dumping. But that's cool. Don't bother me none. Oh. Just gonna keep stacking her up. Let's get this one down. This one shouldn't be bad. I think that's gonna fall. A little bit more. Oh, I'm running low on battery. Oh, that's it right there. There we go. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to just drag this. Let's just bring it this way. Oh, over there. There we go. Works for me. That works for me. Cool. Let's see what this little bit of battery we got can just knock these small ones down. Cool. That one's down. There we go. Cool. There we go. step over this one. Oh yeah, walk through the tree branches. Yeah. Yeah, that felt good. Yes, sir. Shit, and these trees are already knocked down. No telling who did these. What I am gonna do is add these to the stack too. Why not? Give it a good old toss. Get this one up. Good old toss. Good old toss. Good old toss. Yeah, buddy. That was a good old toss. And then we'll get this one. Get that one a good old toss. Man, she coming along good. Oops. That one a good toss right there. Cool. I'm scared about this pool, but we're gonna pick it up and see what the fuck's underneath. Looks like there was a big old cockroach. Yep. Ew, buddy. This was not my pool, and I guarantee you it was one of the other pools. So this pool's also gonna go towards the contribution of the fence. Cause screw that. Kiddie pools just don't get someplace. People put kiddie pools someplace. All right, let's get this done. This sprint right here should complete this side. All right. Cool. I'm done over here. Ooh, one more stick. One more branch. I am so surprised I have not seen a snake yet. It's crazy. I would have thought I seen a snake a long time ago by now out here. All right, let's cut this one down. Actually, let's cut these down. Or these. Cool. This one right here falling. Let's get it to fall though. Come on. That's good enough. Let's back it up. All right, come on. Come on. Oh man, shoe stuck. A little bit more. There we go. God, that camera angle is probably so trash. I'm sorry, but look at this cool stuff. That's tree sap. That's cool. Smells like Christmas tree, dude. It's awesome. Woo! Throw a couple more of these little small ones on there. We should be good. Let's try this one. Come on, battery. She goes. She's down. Oh, go. All right, we'll just drag this one. All right. All right. Get this one up. Up and over. All right. That's it. A little bit more right there. We're good. Let's go. All right, so here's what it looked like so far. I'm just gonna add a few more branches here and there where it's like clear spots at, and we're gonna be good. No, my neighbors probably hate me for this, but that's what we're doing. All right, y'all, I'm calling it a day. I started with like two battery bars on this chainsaw. I cut enough down to get it somewhat decently done. I know the neighbors probably hate me, but it's a temporary barrier until I get enough money to get a real fence. It should work to keep the pit bull out, but we will see. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. And then I'll just load all that stuff on the trailer, back the trailer back here, and load all this stuff and take it to the dump or burn it or something like that. But this is the day. I think I cleared a decent amount out. Got a little bit more right there to throw back there, but I'm calling it a day, man. We wrapping up. So it's your boy. Quick little update on the property. Let's go. See y'all next time. Peace.